Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 39. Which of the following statements is not a reason for feeding farm animals? A. Production of energy for work. B. Building up of body tissue. C. Production of inorganic manure. D. Protection of animals from diseases. So we are asked for which of the statements is not a reason why farm animals are fed. Now option A says production of energy for work. Now this is a reason why farm animals are fed, because in order for them, or in the case of work animals, they need to be fed in order for them to obtain energy for that they could be used for the farm work. So it is a reason, and we're asked for the one which is not a reason, so it is not the answer to this question. Now option B says building up of body tissue. Now for animals that are majorly used as meat, okay, that are raised to be used for meat, the body tissue needs to be built up. The body tissue needs to be built up, so the animals have to be fed in order for the body tissues to build up, so that you can sufficiently have enough meat or obtain enough meat from that animal. So it is a reason why farm animals are fed, and it is not the answer to this question. Now option C says production of inorganic manure. Now the keyword to note here is inorganic, because you can actually obtain manure from animals, that is the animal dung. However, it says inorganic manure. Now inorganic manure is basically manure that is not made up of organic products, so like fertilizers, okay, like NPK for example, is classified as inorganic manure, okay, or artificial manure. Now in this case, it doesn't matter how much you feed farm animals, they will never produce inorganic manure, so it is not a reason for feeding farm animals. So it is the correct answer to this question. Now option D says protection of animals from diseases. Now this is also a reason for feeding of farm animals, as feeding them helps to build, feeding helps, or proper nutrition helps to build the immune system of farm animals and makes them less susceptible to diseases. So it is also a reason, and hence it's not the answer to this question. So as we've rightly established, option C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.